Do you know that you can easily edit your PDF document without any stress? Watch this tutorial to understand how. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser and open a new tab. Then you navigate your mouse to Google Apps and select Google Drive from this option. Now that you are in Google Drive, navigate your mouse to New and select File Upload. You go ahead and select the PDF document that you want to edit and select Open. After uploading your PDF document, navigate your mouse to Recent. Over here, you see your PDF document, then you click on these three dots that says More Actions, and then you select Open with Google Docs. Now that you're in Google Docs, you can make all the changes that you want to make to this particular PDF. So I can just go ahead and add a few more words and say, this is the ideal image for this exercise. After you are done making all the changes to your document, you go back to File, you navigate your mouse to File, and under the download option, you select PDF document. When you select download as PDF document, it's going to be downloaded in a PDF format for you. But this time around, it's going to have the current changes that you made to your PDF document. Let me open this particular file so that you see. After opening the document, the PDF document, these were the changes that I made. So I said, this is the ideal image for this particular exercise. So that is the first way to go about it. Now, in case you want other ways to edit your PDF document, you navigate your mouse to the PDF document that you upload into your Google Drive, select more actions, and under the open with options, there is the Google Docs, which we've already looked at. There is suggested apps like Lumin PDF and Dog Hub. You can select any one of your choice. I'll go ahead and select Lumin PDF. Make sure to sign in with your Google account. So you check this, then you click on continue. So now over here, you can then go ahead and make changes to your document. And when you are done, you click on the download option over here. Now, in order to edit your PDF, you can see that this is a premium feature. When I click on this, you can start a free 7 days trial to experience this particular feature. And when you are done, you just edit your document and then you come back to the download option to download this particular document and you're good to go. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other tutorial.